Next bit from the topic periodic classification of the elements, periodic trends in the modern periodic table. See here student, periodic trends in the modern periodic table. When the properties of the elements, when the properties of the elements in a period or a group of a modern periodic table are compared, certain regularities observed in their variations. It is called the periodic trends in the modern periodic table. Here the definition is given. The properties of the elements in a period or a group of the modern periodic table are compared. When compared, the certain regularities observed in their variation. This is known as the modern periodic trends of the modern periodic table. In the modern periodic table, in this standard, we are going to consider the periodic trends only three properties of the elements, namely valency, atomic size, metallic and non-metallic character. So, in this bit, the periodic trends in the modern periodic table, only three properties we have to study here: valency, atomic size, metallic and non-metallic character. So, firstly, valency. So student, we know that what is the valency. Valency is nothing but combining capacity of every element, any element with the another element, known its a valency. So you have learned in the previous standard that the valency of an element is determined by the number of electrons present in the outermost shell of its atom. एखाद्या ॲटमच्या आउटरमोस्ट शेलमध्ये जितके नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेझेंट असतील त्याला आपण त्या ॲटमची व्हॅलेन्सी असे म्हणतो. दॅट इज द व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. दॅट मीन्स डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन वी कॅन डिटरमाइन द व्हॅलेन्सी ऑफ ॲन ॲटम. नाउ थिंक अबाउट इट. The questions are given here. What is the relationship between the electronic configuration of an element and its valency? So students, we know that valency is nothing but the combining capacity of any element with the another element, known its valency. So valency can be determined with the help of the valence electron, and valence electron can be shown the electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? Electronic configuration is nothing but the shell-wise distribution of the electrons, so that the electrons which are present in the outermost shell known as the valence electron, and valence electron gives us valency of an element. The next, the atomic number of beryllium is 4, while that of the oxygen is 8. Write down the electronic configuration of the two and deduce their valency from the same. So student, when any element take part in the chemical reaction, the element try to attain the stable electronic inert gas configuration nearmost इनर्ट गॅस कॉन्फिगरेशन. म्हणजे एखाद्या एलिमेंटला जर एखाद्या केमिकल रिॲक्शनमध्ये पार्टिसिपेट करायचं असेल तर प्रत्येक एलिमेंट हा इनर्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन प्राप्त करण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असतो. जो कोणता नियरमोस्ट त्याचा इनर्ट एलिमेंट असेल त्या पद्धतीने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन गेन करण्याचा तो प्रयत्न करत असतो. वाईल अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन क्वेश्चन, बेरिलियम, the atomic number of the beryllium, symbol for beryllium is 4, atomic number is 4. When we write down the electronic configuration, the first shell of the beryllium has 2 electron and second shell is having 2 electrons, which is the valence electron. The beryllium is having 2 valence electron, so beryllium loses these 2 electrons, and so that it attains the stable electronic configuration just like helium, so that the beryllium is having valency 2. The next element is given here, oxygen. Oxygen 8, atomic number 2,6 is the electronic configuration for oxygen. Here the 6 electron present in its outermost orbit, so that oxygen try to attain the neon-like electronic configuration. Neon is inert gas element. That means it is having the in its outermost shell the 8 electrons are present. That means octet is complete. So that to complete the octet, the oxygen try to gain the 2 electrons more from the another atom of an element. एखादा दुसरा एलिमेंट जर त्या दुसऱ्या एखाद्या एलिमेंटचा ॲटम जर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन तो देत असेल तर 2,6 हे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन असलेला ऑक्सिजन हा एलिमेंट 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिसीव्ह करून ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट करतो. म्हणजेच ऑक्सिजनची कंबायनिंग कॅपॅसिटी ही 2 आहे. दॅट मीन्स ऑक्सिजन इज हॅव्हिंग व्हॅलेन्सी 2. Next question. The table on the next page is made on the basis of the modern periodic table. Write in it the electronic configuration of the first 20 elements below the symbol and write the valency. Now again, next question. What is the periodic trend in the variation of the valency while going from left to right within a period? Explain your answer with reference to the period 2nd and period 3. So student, we have to study about the periodic trend in the variation of valency while going from left to right within the period 2nd and period 3 elements. So see here, this is the elements. These are the elements in the second period have a complete first shell. What happens to electrons in the second shell in the period 2? So these are all the elements. These are all the elements which are present in the second row, that means second period. Here the lithium electronic configuration of lithium is 2,1, beryllium 2,2, boron 2,3, carbon 2,4, nitrogen, oxygen, neon. All these we have write down the electronic configuration of each and every element. When we observe left to right electronic configuration of these elements, when we observe, then we conclude that the atomic number from left to right, lithium to neon, the atomic number increases by 1. That means outermost shell, the shell number are same. The periods, we know that in case of the period, all the elements are having same number of the shells, but the atomic number is increases by 1 when we go from left to right in case of the period. So that as the atomic number increases, that means the positive charge also increases. म्हणजेच लिथियमच्या आउटरमोस्ट शेलमध्ये 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे, बेरिलियममध्ये ते 2 1ने वाढतोय, नंतर 3 4 5 6, फ्लोरीनमध्ये 7 आणि त्याच्यानंतर 8. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला ॲटॉमिक नंबर इन्क्रीज झालेला दिसतो, म्हणजेच पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज हा इन्क्रीज झालेला दिसतो. जर आपण व्हॅलेन्सी याची कन्सिडर केली तर लिथियमची व्हॅलेन्सी 1 येईल, इथे 2 येईल, इथे 3, इथे 4. त्यानंतर व्हॅलेन्सी आपल्याला डिक्रीज होताना दिसते, परत इथे 3, नंतर 2 1 आणि इकडे 0. दॅट मीन्स व्हॅलेन्सी इन केस ऑफ द पिरियड काय होतं, ॲज ॲटॉमिक नंबर इन्क्रीजेस, व्हॅलेन्सी जी आहे पिरियडमध्ये जात असताना लेफ्ट टू राईट इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी ही वाढताना आपल्याला दिसून येते. अप टू कार्बनपर्यंत इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हे डोनेट होते. एलिमेंट्स कॅन डोनेट द इलेक्ट्रॉन. देन फ्रॉम nitrogen, as a carbon the 4 electrons are present. Carbon always shares the electron. It forms the covalent bond with the another element by sharing the 4 electrons. But when we go from nitrogen to neon, these elements are electronegative elements. That means they attain the electronic configuration by gaining the electrons, while the neon is inert gas, so that it do not take part in the chemical reaction. Likewise in case of the third period मध्ये सुद्धा जे काही एलिमेंट्स आहे, सोडियम, मॅग्नेशियम, ॲल्युमिनियम, सिलिकॉन, फॉस्फरस, सल्फर, क्लोरीन आणि आर्गॉन, याचे सुद्धा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन आपण इथे लिहिलेले 281, 282, 283. इथे सुद्धा ॲटॉमिक नंबर हा 1 ने इन्क्रीज झालेला आपल्याला दिसून येतो. म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी सुद्धा ॲल्युमिनियमपर्यंत हे एलिमेंट्स इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्ह दिसतात आणि then from phosphorus to argon the electronegativity increases. That means these elements try to attain electronic configuration by gaining the electrons. Now the last question, what is the periodic trends in the variation of valency while going from left? This question is we have completed. What is the periodic trend in the variation of the valency while going down a group? Explain your answer with reference to group 1 and group 2 and group 18. See here the elements in the group first elements. These are the alkali metals. या ठिकाणी आपण इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन लिहिलेलं आहे. ग्रुपची स्पेशालिटी काय आहे की यामध्ये जे व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे ते सेम नंबरमध्ये असतात. बट देअर इज द increasing the one shell as we go from top to bottom. वरतून खाली येत असताना व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन जरी आउटरमोस्ट शेलमध्ये असलेले व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन जरी सेम असले तरी देखील एक नंबरने शेल आपल्याला वाढताना दिसून येते. जसं लिथियममध्ये 2 शेल्स आहे, ते सोडियममध्ये 3 शेल्समध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डिस्ट्रीब्युशन झाले, पोटॅशियममध्ये 4 शेल, अशा पद्धतीने एक शेल या ठिकाणी वाढताना दिसून येते. परंतु प्रत्येक एलिमेंटचे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशनमध्ये आपल्याला व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन ओनली 1 असलेला दिसून येतो. सो दॅट when we go top to bottom in a group, the valence electron remains the same. So the valency of the elements which are present in the same group are having same valency. Now another group, this is the second group elements, beryllium, magnesium, calcium. Here we can note down all these elements having 2 valence electron, that means their valency is 2. That means the elements which are present in the same group, they show the same valency. So student, we have completed here our next bit, periodic trends in the modern periodic table related to the valency. So in our next video we will study the periodic trends regarding with the atomic size of an elements. Thank you.